Why settle for regular chats when you can give your friends nicknames and make every conversation memorable within a few simple steps? But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create a nickname for yourself and your friends on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Instagram app to open it. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap the message icon at the top right corner to open direct message. This will show your one-on-one conversation and group chats. Find an existing group chat. Once you are inside the group chat, tap on the group name and you will open the group privacy settings. Here you would want to click on the nickname to start using fun nicknames to refer to your friends. Finally, select the person and start adding nicknames. You can add nicknames based on personality traits, inside jokes, or something creative. You can also add emojis to make the nickname more fun. Finally, tap down to save the username. So this is how to create username for yourself and your friends on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.